Guys, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next. In this video, I wanted to do a quick back to school makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm just going to prime my skin and I'm taking my E.L.F. Luminous Putty Primer. Why is my look so glowy? It's so light. It's so weird. Anyways, I'm just going to prime my skin. I'm taking my E.L.F. Luminous Putty Primer. I'm taking my Studio Fix from MAC, and this is in NC50. To blend that foundation into my skin, I am just going to take my E.L.F. Total Face Sponge. I do use the sponge damp, and I'm just going to take that and dab that foundation into my skin until it's all blended out. For concealer, of course, as usual, we're using the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm not taking a whole lot of that. I'm just going to take a little bit just to brighten my under eye. We're not doing nothing too crazy. Obviously, this is for school, but I still want to highlight. Get my Marcelle translucent powder, of course. That's what I'm going to use to set the places I highlighted. I like to use the same sponge to blend my concealer out, and I'm just dabbing that into my skin, get it all blended out nicely, and then I am going to go ahead and just set that concealer in a place. And I'm taking a little brush from Real Techniques along with my Marcelle translucent powder, and I'm just setting my eyes and, well, pretty much everywhere I highlighted. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, and of course I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 Coconut. I'm just taking that on a fluffy brush just to set the other parts of my face that I didn't highlight. And of course I'm going to go ahead and do a bit of contour just to add some warmth back to my face. And as usual, I use my Black Radiance True Complexion palette for that. I do like the sculpted cheekbone, so I'm just taking a bit of translucent powder and carving my cheeks out, and then I'm just going to brush that away with the same fluffy brush I used to set my face. Also for the blush, I am taking my MAC, my Cheeky Bits blush, their Extra Dimension blush, and I'm just going to pop some color under my cheeks, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a small wing, nothing too dramatic. And I use my E.L.F. liquid liner. I think I got this one at Walmart, and it was probably like $3 or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave all those in the description box for you guys. And now I'm just curling my lashes, add some mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. I am using the Kiss lashes. They're matte classic, I believe. And I'm just gonna pop that on using my Kiss strip lash adhesive. I'm just highlighting my brow bone because I didn't use any shadow, so I just wanted my eyes to pop just a bit. Then I went ahead, set my face, added a bit of my NYX Milky Gloss in Moody Peach, and we are all done. I hope you guys like the video. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button.